Patriji, I would like to know uh, what is Buddha's like views on uh, leadership, governance, and even society at large. How a man should lead. Is the transformation from top to bottom or bottom to top? A leader should change first, or the people should change?
Everybody should change.
Yeah.
Here, in matters of change, no leader, no follower. Everybody has to change. So, Buddha was a prince. He changed. He was a leader. He changed the top. He was in the top. So, he changed himself.
Yeah.
And all the kings in those days, they followed Buddha. King after king, they followed Buddha. King after king, they gave lands to Buddha to start ashrams. So everybody followed Buddha, whether it is a king or a commoner, whether it is a monk or a lay person, everybody followed Buddha. Everybody should follow spirituality. Buddha came to establish true spirituality on this earth planet. And he did it wonderfully. We have to follow suit. Spirituality should come. That is why Pyramid Spiritual Society movement is there. Pyramid Spiritual Society movement is Buddha reincarnated. In those times he did say, I am going to come back after 2500 years. So this is what we are seeing now. Pyramid Spiritual Society movement is nothing but Buddha's reincarnation, coming back again to establish true spirituality, to get rid of prayers, pujas, beggings, to establish meditation, true science of meditation. So when he established a true science of meditation, all the kings followed him. Same thing will happen here. We have established true science of meditation in Pyramid Spiritual Society movement, and everybody will follow us. Who does not want truth? Everybody wants truth. Who does not want health and happiness and enlightenment? King or commoner? Who does not want? King also wants health and happiness. Commoner also wants health. So everybody should follow spirituality, should take to spirituality. Once you take to spirituality, automatically you are in the spiritual politics. Automatically. How you came into spiritual politics, Mr. Prem Kumar? Because he became spiritual. Had he not become spiritual, would he enter Pyramid Party? No.
It needs a lot of courage to enter.
So that everything comes from spirituality. Yes. So we have to spread spirituality. That's what we are doing in Pyramid Spiritual Society movement. That's our job. That's what Buddha did. That's what we are doing. The whole world will follow Buddha. The whole world will follow PSSM. It has to follow. Truth is one and same everywhere. Truth is not two and different from place to place. Truth is one and it is the same everywhere. What is the truth? Meditation is the truth. You have to close your eyes and observe your breathing. Make your mind empty. Make your soul active. Make your powers of the soul active. Powers of the soul are called intuition. So intuitively you will begin to know. That intuition develops only through meditation. What is intuition? There is an inner voice telling you, do this, don't do this. You will hear that inner voice. Inner voice is active everywhere, but we are not able to hear that because we are not in meditative mood or meditative mode. So when you do meditation, you hear the inner voice and you know what to do in the external world. You will have intuition. Okay. How did I have the intuition to start the Pyramid Party? Through meditation. Had I not done meditation, I would not be with Mr. Prem Kumar.
Yes.
I would lose Prem Kumar, a great person like Prem Kumar, but I am benefited by meditation because I met Prem Kumar. So, and everybody wants benefits, so everybody will do meditation, but they don't know how to do meditation. That's why we are here, to tell them how to do meditation. See, Wright brothers, they flew in the air. Everybody wanted to fly in the air like a bird. So everybody tried many experiments. Finally, Wright brothers got the way to fly in the air. Now everybody is flying in the air. Previously we used to go to Delhi or Kashi by walking. Now we are going by flight because the technology is there. Similarly, everybody wants to do meditation, but the technology should be there, right technology. That right technology has been given by Buddha. And Buddha has come back 2500 years back again afterwards. And that is PSSM, Pyramid Spiritual Society Movement. Teaching how to do meditation properly. So when you do meditation, you become spiritual, naturally you will change the politics into spiritual politics. We don't have to bother about spiritual politics, we have to bother about spirituality. Teach everybody meditation. When the whole population becomes meditation, automatically there will be a spiritual governance. You don't have to worry about spiritual governance. Worry about spirituality. Yes?
Yes, do you mean to say that meditation and spiritual values will bring order in the world?
Only meditation.
Yes, okay.
There is nothing else. Through meditation, everybody will become a vegetarian. Without meditation, nobody can become a vegetarian. They will follow their society and parents. With meditation, they will break away from the society and their parents, and they will start thinking on them by themselves. They will follow their intuition, not the society. If without meditation they are following blindly the society, with meditation they will follow the intuition, not the society.